Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. Got the chickens and ducks talking to me today. Just wanted to come out for a minute. It's a little cool this morning, 53 right now. I see one bee flying. And kind of come out and see if we can see the changes that were made yesterday. I know the video I put out last night was kind of terribly edited, we'll say that. And notice the swarm colony is not there any longer. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, sorry. We got one down there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you notice this middle row right here, with starting with the purple box with the purple lid laying down, that's got 4 now. So that's 4, 8, 12. We got 2 on this one, so that's 14. We got this one has been reduced down and split, so that's 15. Got number 16 over there. We made some splits with queens over here, added some queens, so 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? 12, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, I think I had more than that. Thought I had more than that. I think I got like 20, 23, I think. 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that second one don't have one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 over here. 8. 12, 16, 20, 22, 24. We're at 24, 23, 24 is where we're at right now. Where is it? Bees are starting to come out. I know I had to, what did I do with the little swarm? I put the swarm out here. Right here. So the swarm recapture is actually in this box with the yellow lid on it. It's just got a queen excluder on the entrance right there. Did that purposefully, I guess is the best way to say it. Purposefully. And because these colonies hopefully will get up to the 10 frames. The nuke's over here. Move them up to 10 frame. That white box on the end doesn't have anything in it, so we got room. I do see where I was sloppy in my beekeeping yesterday, so I need to really adjust some boxes. Like that red top box over there, it's kind of wonky. It needs to be straightened out. And well, it still is, the Ukraine hive with the blue box down on the end, it needs to be adjusted because the feeder shim is off a little bit. So I do need to fix those. But other than that, yeah, so pretty good expansion yesterday with the colonies as far as doing the splits. Let me fix this box real quick. All right, so got that fixed up. Actually, I had to go get a hive tool. Took it inside with me yesterday. So yeah, made some changes. I still got some room on these benches over here. So as we make more splits, we'll try to do that. I might get out here today, depending on how the bees' mood is, and try to get those, get some of this extra stuff I've got sitting around moved and set up and straightened out and all that good stuff. And curious, some of these colonies that I need to really rearrange and get stuff straightened. But you know, it's always a work in progress. I just got a lot of too much extra stuff sitting around, just laying around, and it's my hopes that once I get the honey house complete, that I'll have somewhere to put the stuff that inside, you know, and as long as it doesn't clutter up everything too much, try to get some of this stuff cleaned up and at least stacked over in my stacks over there, and you know, find frames that need to be re-waxed and whatnot, and see how it goes. So right now, no major plans to do today. Maybe go in the Demaray colony and get the top. There's one frame with queen cells on it I need to do something with, so it might get split out today. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe into a nuke and some extra bees, and so, you know, just see what happens. See if we can get things going. But right now, definitely have increased so far. Everything's got new queen cells. Either got new queen cells or a brand new mated queen. So waiting on the bees to go ahead and release Her Majesty so she can go about her business and you know, get things going. So I don't know exactly what's going on in the plans today, so maybe work on the Demaray a little bit, probably clean up a lot of this yard. that's on the agenda, to get some of this stuff away from the building, and see what happens. So anyway, that's a quick little update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode. Have a good day.